welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is going to be focused on one of my PR packages that I've received this morning. It's all about skincare. I'm really excited to work with this brand. So I'm going to give you a bit of a background about me. Ever since I've turned 30, my skin has been playing up like it wants to fight. Honestly, I don't know what it is. I think when you hit 30, your hormones change, and they say that anyway. So anyone who's about to step into their 30s, just make sure you prevent. And I don't know, my skin has just started to flare up when it comes to spots. I'm getting more dark marks on my face and more blemishes, and that kind of also equals texture as well. So it's been a bit frustrating, and I'm trying to control it, but also it's just made me realise I need to take care of my skin. You know, we're not getting any younger. So I was kind of researching black skincare, and I came across this brand. Now, as I was doing my research, what really drew me to them was the fact that all of their products are vegan, they're all natural, and they focus on the problem areas that we as black people, and of course other ethnicities, but for black skincare issues. So I was absolutely drawn to them. The company is called Ava Estelle. Now, they have sent me their full facial kit. Before I get them out, I will put a link to their website below, along with their Instagram and all their social medias. Please check them out, because I was absolutely blown away by their page. I mean, the results they have befores and afters, and I was like, look, they need to help me, like my skin is not skinning. So today I will be showing you the products that they've sent me, and I will be doing a review, let's say in 4 weeks time, so a month's time, just to see the before and after, and I will show you a picture before when I start using it, and then of course the results after. So the full facial kit includes, we have a face scrub, we have a cleanser, we have a night cream. Oh, it has like some of the confetti in the box. A night cream, we have a face mask. Oh, Manuka honey, yum. We have, oh, what's this? Oh, oil infused cleanser. That sounds good. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so that is the full works. Some of the lids have come off. So I'm going to show you the products in more detail, and it will also give the list of benefits as well. So stay with me. Okay guys, so my first impression on the packaging is I absolutely love the labels that they have. They have labelled each one for each stage that you use the product in, which, okay, I am the idiot that needs that, because I don't know what it is. I kind of get intimidated when it comes to skincare. Like, I'm happy to have a cleanser, like a makeup remover, and then a serum, and then a cream. But obviously there are other aspects to skincare, especially when you are looking to get rid of blemishes. So I really appreciate that they have labelled it, because people like me need that. So thank you guys. Okay, so first of all, one thing that I kind of was a little bit concerned about was that this is an oil-based cleanser, but they have labelled it that it is gentle and non-clogging. So that's really good in itself. The ingredients are all natural and all vegan, as I've mentioned before. So I won't list them all, but it has sunflower oil, it has lemon essential oil, peppermint floral water, cucumber extracts as well, and yeah, it just all looks really fresh, really good stuff. It says it's naturally been derived to balance the pH as well, so that's a really nice gentle makeup remover to use. So yeah, it says it even removes waterproof makeup, and it cleanses your skin without rinsing, which is really good. It has the step-by-step, so just to shake well, pump a few drops on a cotton pad, and then wipe in the desired area, and repeat the process 2 or 3 times. So I'm just gonna give it a little smell. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that smells really, really nice. It smells like cocoa butter. It smells really, really nice. It smells gorgeous, actually. And it's really soft on my hands as well. It's really moisturising. But yeah, it feels light. Like, it's made my skin feel really light, if that makes sense. Like, it smells really good. Okay, so this is the stage 2. So we have the Manuka honey face mask. I'm so excited for this one. I love Manuka honey. Like, I literally have honey every day. Like, I'm addicted to honey. I think I'm addicted to honey. I just love honey on toast. I love honey in my porridge. I love honey. So it's now on my face mask, and I love that. So the ingredients here are, I will bring this forward for you. So it has the Manuka honey, clover honey, cucumber extracts, aloe vera, and tea tree as well. So it just says put a few spatulas on your face, leave for 10 minutes, then wash off. Let me just open this up. Oh, it's nice and light. Oh, it smells good. It smells like luxury, and that's what it looks like. I've just kind of done like a little test. It's quite sticky, so I can imagine that this will last a while because you only need a little bit. Because you can see, look how I'm doing that. You can see how much it goes a long way. It smells really good, actually. It smells really good. It smells very luxurious. Okay. So step 3, we have the activating face scrub. So they have put in here, oh, brown sugar, yum, vitamin E oil, sweet orange extracts, and preservative eco. Okay, let's have a look what's in here. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. Oh, okay, guys, do you know what this smells like? It smells like, you know, the Caribbeans will know this. You know, like rum cake before it goes in the oven, like Christmas cake, even like a Christmas cake, it smells like that. I guess that would be the brown sugar. That smells really good. It's quite sticky. That would be the sugar. So just, yeah, need to wash my hands now. This smells really good. Yum. Okay, so step 4 is the face cleanser. So this again has all natural ingredients, all vegan products. It's aloe vera, the sweet orange extract, cucumber extract as well. Okay, and then it has the use. I'm sure people know how to wash their face, but if not, it has the instructions here. So let's give this a little pump. Gosh, you can smell the orange in that. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like holiday for me. That smells like the tropics. It smells like the Caribbean. It smells like sunshine. It smells like a pina colada. It smells really good. You can definitely smell the orange in that. It smells really, really nice. And then the 5th and final step is, that's number 1 step. The 5th and final step is the night cream. Okay, so the 5th and final step is the night cream. So, okay, let's have a look here. Again, all natural ingredients. We have the sunflower oil, aloe vera, shea butter. We have the argan oil. We have the lavender extracts. They're all in here. It all looks amazing. I don't know if they'll even be able to pick up the ingredients, but that's all what's in there. Okay, and then in the instructions, what made me laugh is it says dry with your face after cleansing, 2 or 3 pumps into your hands, obviously, gently apply to your face, and the step 4, which is the main one, drink water and mind your business for the night. I mean, that is probably the best advice any company could give anyone. So first of all, literally, so yeah, let's give it a go. I can kind of smell it already. I can smell the shea butterness of it. I'm going to rub it on both hands because this hand is super sticky from the sugar. Oh, okay. So I am getting the lemon and the lavender and the shea butter That smells really, really good. It smells very luxurious. My hands are so shiny. You can see how moisturised it's made by hands. Oh wow, my hands are so moisturised. And I only use the tiny squirt, so you can tell, and it feels so soft. It feels so firm. It feels like a baby's bottom. No, it feels so lovely. Ooh. And it smells really, really good. Okay, guys, so that is the 5th and final step. So I have all the products here. This is a complete pack that they sell. Oh, they sell them individually, but they also sell the kit as one. And these are what's included. So I will be giving you an update in 4 weeks' time. I will also be showing you a before and after. I have got makeup on today because I'm about to head out, which you'll see in my vlog. So yeah, I am about to head out, so I couldn't give you a before, but I will be posting a before and after in my update and review video of these products. So I will, as I've said, put a link in the description below so you can check out their page and check out their products. It's not just skincare that they do, as in face, they also do skincare body. So if anyone suffers from psoriasis or eczema or any other skin issues, check them out and check out their results online as well, because they honestly speak for themselves. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video today. I'm going to leave you how I always leave you. Never let anyone dim your light. Keep shining, darlings. Bye.